Want to make your Reddit posts and comments stand out? Adding Flair is a simple way to do it, and I'm going to show you exactly how on mobile and desktop. Flair is a small label that appears next to your username or post, often used in communities to indicate expertise, location, or interests. Most people get this wrong. They think Flair is automatic, but it must be enabled by the subreddit moderators. On desktop, go to the subreddit, find your post or comment, and click Add Flair on the right-hand side. A list of available flares will appear. Choose one and click Apply. If you don't see this option, the subreddit may not allow Flair or requires approval. On mobile, open the Reddit app, tap on your post, then tap the three dots in the top right corner. Select Change Flair, pick from the options, and save. Your Flair should now appear next to your username on that subreddit. Some subreddits also allow custom Flair colors or text, but this is controlled by moderators. A tip: check the subreddit rules. Adding Flair incorrectly can result in your post being removed. In conclusion, adding Flair is quick and easy once you know where to look, and it can help your posts get noticed, highlight your expertise, or show your interests. Subscribe for more Reddit tips, tricks, and tutorials to get the most out of your online communities.